welcome back to Patrick's Watch. This is Sir P. Today we're going to the real Hollywood, St. James, Jamaica, in particular Montego Bay. You see, there was another shooting in the parish. I know you're probably thinking to yourself, well, what's new? Right. Well, listen to this now. I want you to picture a group of 87 going pan ops. And this time, right, them don't just use them team of carriers teams for lower the victim, but them use one for drive the getaway car. Because it turns out Kerry a bad driver. And Kerry, right, actually got upon the ops, right. The man them drive down them victim, right. Of course, as you can imagine, start to, put on rounds, so to speak. Then police respond quickly and catch not just Kerry, but one of the youth them, one getaway. Right. I don't know if them catch him by the video come up, but one the getaway initially. And then you find a situation where come straight from out of some kind of twisted movie where the victim, where them go for initially, right, end up in the same police vehicle as Kerry and one of the gunman them. So Kerry and one of the 87s them in the police van, and the victim they on the back of the police van, and the two of them gone. Tell me, say Moby, it's not Hollywood, something can go so? So imagine you then at the back of a police vehicle, battling for your life, hoping to reach a hospital fast, and the people that may put you in the back of the police vehicle. They in the police vehicle. Bad girl Kerry, gone pan ops. So there's a video, right, as you can imagine. Can't play the video mainly because the man up on the back of it, he's in a bad condition, right? But I'm gonna play a little audio clip from one of somebody, I don't know if it's the person who's recording or somebody who's up near the person who's recording, but my listen to that part as the man up on the back of the van and him head and go from side to side. I want you to listen to the advice where somebody give the police. Check this out.
One up here and make it catch breeze. Yeah, one up here and make it catch breeze, y'all. Look at me, go dead. One up here. Officer, blow in our face, officer. Blow in our face, blow in our face.
Now, I'm going to ask Moby people my question. I'm going to ask St. James people my question. I want to tell me in the comment section. Don't bother DM me. It's not that deep. Tell me in the comment section. Moby people, is it your style, right, your own technique where a man pick up multiple rounds and the way how to prolong him life till him reach at the hospital is to blow in him face? But just Moby people answer that one. Just Moby people. Is this, cause remember I said every area, every parish, every town, every village have them own little thing with them doing. Some places have, when some people get sick, them not take no Panadol and ibuprofen. Some place, them have the little bush them blend up, and they might do this and it might sound strange to you, and you say, oh, that work, but then they might say it work for we, man. So one more on it, Moby. Come and know, say obviously, whole heap of shooting going on Moby. So it seems like Moby people them have figured out something. Is this some kind of underground Moby strategy? Blowing in face? I would love to hear all this. Is this like a modified version? Is this the Moby version of mouth-to-mouth resuscitation? Blowing in face? So is it the actual blowing of the, when people go and blow, is that what I go keep him eye them open, or to go look at the ear, get in him nose and going more people talk to me. Right. When I saw the video and made that part there, I was so confused. Right. But when I want write it off and then I go use that the local strategy, and so tell me, because it look like we might be onto something here. Right? This strategy, if we are USA it effective, right, more know how it work, right, and then maybe we can pass down to the rest of Jamaica, blow in face. Right? Rounds just slice up, man. How much internal damage, but just blow in face. Very interesting. Anyway, wanna see Kerry and I walk out the world. Sorry, I forgot you can't see the video, right, because I can't post it. I posted the video, right, on Patreon, and I'm gonna do a separate video there. But Kerry at the back of the car, the police car. And you see her wiggle up her body and she wiggle and she look like she said, boy, what me do? And she put on this sad face, right, and she hold on her head. You can see the crowd feel start fear already. You can see people that look, one big woman there and she look like she said, boy, poor thing. You see, that's the power of a Kerry compared to a 87, you know. Right. Kerry can switch from bad girl, right back to damsel in distress. Just strap her head and make her tears run down her cheek. Right. All the police them start feel sorry for her. And even though I don't know this for certain, but the presence of the Kerry probably helps spare the 87 when they catch. Because remember, as I say, as them start put it down on the man, the police them draw down on them. Right. So if Kerry jump out and start screaming and start going, that help the 87. Right. Because if I just be a man, go up on apps and police catch them, right, just call it basically in the middle of them apps, right, them probably get lit down too. But if them notice a female is there, that add one extra layer of complication. Because if the police them end up engage the vehicle and the next thing you say, Kerry lose her life. Right. You know all that will get spin already. Right. Then I wish she could have do. See, they then just kill you. Me know her for around so one girl and then them find one picture of Kerry when she was 15, looking innocent. And next thing you know, you have a pure disaster upon your hand. But you have to understand, say, Mobi is a place where, even though you might not have the one giant monster, for example, like Stone Crusher, you see the little pit of them, like little offsprings them, the little branches them will spring off from the generation, them still operate now, enough man still a cycle score from them time. 51, 50, 14, 52, all of them you there. Them still have them old beefs as squash. Right, or them them claim to them a squash it. But when them take out one man, the next set of man them go kill back one man, and then go back and then go back and then never end. So each side, right, I carry out them ups thinking so them are going to land like the decisive blow. Right. And it's never the decisive blow. All it do is make the next side say, oh, alright then, watch the retaliation. And the man just go on and on. This play out in the city, luckily, no innocent people will get caught in the madness, kind of them in the guy already. Right, but just another day in Hollywood. Now, before the video ends, I want to touch briefly on a story, right, that I was going to cover yesterday. But then, of course, resident from West Kingston linked me, right, telling me about what happened to Roger last night, and that story, right, got priority over this one. Now, the brother in New York named Harlem Keith, right, I get to understand, say, at 87, take him life in our party, right, over some petty foolishness. You know, ego. I know them thing the guy already, man not dance, and every man thinks say them a dance, every man thinks them a bad man, and worse, man go have a couple drinks, and you know them thing the guy already. This man a post for a picture, right, and the man walk up and take the man life right as he might take the picture, to the point he even get caught on camera. So right now, man depon most wanted is a foreign. Now I get to understand, say, some Yankee, even though it was like a Jamaican, Jamaicans in the party and Jamaicans in the venue, I get to understand, say, most of the main players them are Yankee with them. But when I understand, you see that environment, right, the party scene, right, in a certain places in America, I don't know how them still are going. Me don't know how them still are going. Because the man in the ramp keep up their foolishness. You know what I noticed? What this whole situation, right, are these type of situations. You see the type of Yankee them would choose if you link and rub shoulders with Yardman. Or the Yankee them would tend to love the foolishness like Yardman. You notice that? Right. Or it might be man from other islands, but them love the foolishness too. Birds of a feather flock together. So you have people who are go out for a party if they enjoy themselves, you know. And you might say, well, this is the nice party there, this is the big selector there, this is the fun there. But you have a whole set of men when they have no other purpose but for walking a party, go prove themselves, you know, prove so all them big and them tough. They want to take the mic for say this and say that. They want to play the song for this time and they want to throw wall. And the environment is so acidic. Enough people, right? As I tell me, say, boy, so people used to love the party thing. In New York, love the party thing. In Philly, but love the party thing over yesterday, but I feel left it alone because the type of people them. Man, go in a party, go look foolish, you know. And enough of the Yankee them. True them know say Jamaican that the bad man reputation. When them go to them party, them a try extra hard now to compete, right, with the Jamaicans them and them because they want to show say them bad too. Right. So it's like a race, right, to who can sink to the deeper depths of acidity. Right. Okay, you know the Yankee, oh you Jamaican cats think you tough, so no them no wants them want the smoke. Man from other islands, oh you think you Jamaican choppy boy. And next thing they want show say them tough too. So you have a whole environment of man with just inflated egos, right? Just look for some smoke. With the name all them keep. Crazy. If you understand say the whole of New York people upset about the whole thing. But if you understand say all them keep might be popular. Enough people might be love him. Enough people might love him. But if you understand say the culture will make things like this happen. Have to be addressed. Have to be addressed. You cannot support and back the culture, and then when the culture produce, right, the fruits, you get upset. And that's how it works. Badness culture produce badness results. It's just that from time to time, the victim are somebody who enough people like. People can't even party in peace again. The acidity, the madness. Nobody's supposed to have a party and look over them shoulder. And then see a man shuffle up 2 times, the whole crowd get ready for run. You're supposed to be in a party and feel like you're up on the edge, like something gonna happen. What kind of party that? Them used to even go a party for woman again. It's pure ego. Pure LIQ ego. Recipe for disaster. Anyway, let me leave this for that stuff, you know. Patreon Squad, you open yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Culture Squad, stay circling. Bless.